Hello there, my name is Daniel. I'm an operations technician here at Cox & Co, and today I'm going to be showing you how to password protect an Excel document. When it comes to password protecting a document in Excel, the first thing you want to do is firstly open up the document you wish to password protect. Once your document is loaded up, the first thing you want to do is go up here to the top left and click on File, then come down to Info, then find Protect Workbook, and then move down to Encrypt with Password. It should open up this window, and all you have to do is type in your password, and then click OK, and then type it in again just to confirm, and then you want to save your changes, because otherwise the password won't stay. And just like that, our document's been password protected. If you wish to remove the password from the document, all you must do is click on Protect Workbook again, find Encrypt with Password again, open it up, but this time you want to remove the password you put in earlier and click OK. And yet again you would like to save your changes, otherwise the password would stay. If you got lost whilst following this video, then please follow our PDF guide linked in the description below, or contact us at inquiries@payrollsolutionsltd.co.uk. But if this guide did help you, then please let us know with either a like or a comment. And just like that, thank you for watching.